Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by enabling the connection method you'll use. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or ensure mobile data is active so transfers can start fast. Once done, open your Photos app and tap Select, then pick the pictures you want to send. Make sure you limit the selection to a manageable number for ad hoc transfers. Tap the Share icon and choose the receiving method, Nearby Share or AirDrop for quick phone-to-phone delivery, or Messages/Mail if the other options aren't available. You select the recipient device from the share sheet. This establishes a direct link so the phones can exchange data. Once selected, the other phone will get an acceptance prompt. Tell the person to accept. Without that, the transfer won't proceed. Monitor the progress indicator to confirm files are moving. If you're sending dozens of photos, create a shared album or upload them to a cloud link instead, because direct transfers can slow or fail when too many large files compete for bandwidth. After the transfer completes, you should ask the recipient to save the photos to their library or chosen folder so they are available offline. Verify that the image count and quality match what you sent. Thumbnails can hide missing originals. If something didn't arrive, first make sure both phones kept their connections. Toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and try again. If issues persist, generate a cloud share link or compress the set into a single file and resend. This often avoids device-to-device handshake problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.